Hello, everybody. My name is Cristina Mateus. I'm a full-time faculty at USQ under the Environmental Engineering Department. And one of the projects that I've been working on in the last year or so is this one about the Galapagos atmospheric emissions and mitigation actions to reduce emissions. A brief summary of this project can be explained by the different stages that it takes place. That could be briefly described by this slide. So this project, as I said, this project has several stages, and we're actually working on the first 4 or 5 stages of it. So at the moment, we have completed this inventory of greenhouse gas emissions and primary pollutants for some of the sectors in the Galapagos Islands, which includes transportation, all of it, aerial transportation, maritime transportation, and terrestrial transportations, and also some other sectors related with the energy sector. We also did a spatial analysis and mapping of this inventory, emission inventory, in which the results should be public in a few months, available for public access in a few months from now. Then with this data, we obtained from the emissions inventory. We're building the second stage, which is this dynamic system model and software. And the idea with this model is to evaluate the interactions between the systems and to better understand the socio-technical aspects of all the systems, especially those that are considering the anthropogenic activities that are significantly linked with tourism. Then the third stage of it is to perform a sensitivity analysis, and the idea with this stage is to see what variables have greater influence on emissions in the islands. Our fourth stage is updating this inventory for 2020, for the year 2020, which is going to be this extraordinary, it's going to be called like the extraordinary scenario COVID. And then with that, we will keep updating this inventory for year 2021 and 2022 and so on and so forth. And the idea is that we can, with this information, we can model future post-COVID scenarios too. And with this, we will develop an online platform for public access in which the idea of this platform is to analyze the socio-political and technical aspects for decision making involving communities and all stakeholders, and to evaluate the feasibility of the proposal actions with this information as a background. And for example, if we propose some renewable energies as an alternative to reduce these emissions. So with this background data, with these models, we can evaluate how much energy it's really being produced, what are the percentage of the demand that it covers, if it's economic viable or feasible, what are the trade-offs, how much we're taking into consideration how much emissions are going to be reduced, etc. And our last stage is creating this carbon footprint offsetting alternatives for tourism, with the idea of involving the tourism sectors in this project, either with raising funds for financing different projects, and so on and so forth. Thank you.